Good morning, Carl again from Dimensions Tents and Structures. This morning we're going to be talking through the finished completed product of our Bedouin stretch tent that we've completed at Hazendal. Hazendal Estate wanted to create an outdoor space for their golfers and their customers to sit down and relax. So in the Bedouin stretch tent market currently, there's a couple of options when talking Bedouin stretch tent. You've got the freestanding Bedouin stretch tent, which can be used on a permanent, semi-permanent basis where there's just peg and pole. In this specific location, they've chosen to do a more permanent structure. You can see there's concrete foundations, there's steel structure in place. So when having the steel frame part of the structure, you can attach the sidewalls nice and neatly because you're getting a straight edge to work with. So we would like you to just understand a couple of the processes we follow when introducing and conceptualizing the Bedouin stretch tent in the location you would like to cover.
So this is the proposed site.
The first process we'll engage with is to come to your specific location, measure the area you would like to cover. Thereafter, we'll do a 3D concept of the space you would like to cover, taking emphasis on the exact details on exactly what you would like to achieve with the finished overall look and the practical use of the space you would like to cover. Once we've completed that phase, we will then go into implementation, which we will then start doing some of the fabrication work, which is in cases of steel work. We have a steelwork facility at Dimensions Tents and Structures where we'll weld up the steel work we can do in-house at the facility. In certain cases on site, we would need to do some welding work. We would bring a team out to the location to finish some of the steel work on site. Once we've completed the steel work on site, there is in certain cases concrete foundations that would need to be laid. These are on a small scale, just for ballasting the steel structure. These are temporary structures, so there's no need for plans to be passed on an engineering level with an architect. Upon completing the Bedouin stretch tent substructural frame or some of the foundations we need to install to attach the Bedouin stretch tent to, we do another proof of the cutting plan that we've put into place in order to attach the Bedouin to. Once that's proofed, we'll go back, manufacture the Bedouin stretch tent in the facility, making sure it fits 100%, then coming to site and installing the finished product. Dimensions Tents and Structures is flexible in some of the structures that we do make. In this specific instance, the customer's chosen a steel frame. You can see he's gone with an open span, so there's no center pole. So we've done a cross beam with a push-up center pole off the cross beam. That means that the whole space within the structure has got no poles. This specific customer has chosen to do roll-up sidewalls on a mechanism. You can do freestanding sidewalls on a zip that you can roll up manually, which is a little bit more affordable. That's the great thing about Dimensions Tents and the products we have available is they are flexible, modular in a lot of circumstances and instances. So Dimensions Tents is very proud to offer our services worldwide. And in the case you would like to reach out, you can find us on multiple website platforms. Dimensions Tents looking forward to engaging with you as a customer and making your dream space come to life.